At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. These words by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru are etched in history and in the hearts of all Indians. Happy 70th Independence Day to you all! This year's theme for Independence Day is Viksit Bharat. This is a vision of transforming India into a developed nation by 2047 to coincide with the 100th year of independence. Come, let us show you some glimpses of how we celebrated this day at our school with pride and patriotism. What, according to you, is the responsibility of a good citizen?
Responsibility of a good citizen is doing good things and good deeds.
I think a good lifestyle habit.
A good responsible citizen should be always try to help other citizens in public transport places like local train, buses, any differently abled people, any senior citizen, or anyone who are in the trouble at any public place. That is called a good citizen.
All the students must believe that we got the freedom not easy, but we got freedom. There are a lot of people died and sacrificed. They have a lot of bloodshed happen. So we have to respect them, and we have to do well for our nation as a good citizen of India.
What message would you like to give to the young student leaders of today in our country on the occasion of 78th Independence Day?
Be dedicated, committed, and do whatever the best you can do.
This generation is already a pro in everything. So I don't think so कि मुझे उनको कुछ suggest करना चाहिए, suggestion देना चाहिए.
You can be a doctor, you can be an engineer. In every sector, there is a job available in India also, and you can do well and make India grow in economically, as well as we can develop in infrastructure as well.
I want to give message to our young and energetic students that they are the engines of our dream of Viksit Bharat. Whatever the field of work they will choose in their career, they should think that the country and their countrymen are the always in the priority, and Viksit Bharat is their sole vision and mission for them.
Independence Day is a day when we, the people of India, celebrate our hard-earned freedom, unity and the vibrant spirit of our nation. The day is a tribute to commemorate the sacrifices made by our people and citizens who fought for our country's freedom. With Viksit Bharat, we hope to celebrate the progress achieved over the years and look forward to a future filled with continuous growth and prosperity. On that note, this is Vijay Neil and this is Vijay Arshi signing off from Ryan International School Malad ICSE for Young Journos on Ryan TV. स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।